Alright folks, so we're going to do the Outdoors with Big Matt little 5-gallon bucket challenge. Here's my bucket. I actually found a food grade bucket. Sure, it doesn't really matter, we're not storing food in it, but I had one, so why not? Hey Todd, this is for you. You have to drill some holes in the bottom of it. We got some holes. Put a couple on the side too. Gotta let it drain. Definitely gotta have it drain. Alright. Got the holes. I think that should be enough. See what happens. And next, I'm going to put some, I was going to do wood, but got a bunch of rocks laying around. We got out the garden, but I'm going to put some rocks in the bottom. It'll help it drain better. Then we got to get some dirt in it. Dirt. Some good topsoil we get from a local place. And we got some potting soil I'm going to toss in with it too. Gotta mix it up a little bit. Yeah, I was going to do micro tomatoes, but I think Tiff planted all those already. So maybe we'll go with a cherry tomato. Our grow season's pretty short here, so we try to grow small stuff if we can. I'll show you a little trick here. Get my drill bit off though. Don't need a drill bit no more. Check this out. We got this guy last year. Little tiny auger. It's great when you're transplanting stuff, or if you have raised beds, you can get down there and mix that dirt up from the bottom to the top really well. So I'm going to just mix it up a little bit. Mix up that topsoil and the potting mix. Yeah, maybe I'll throw a link to one of these down in the description if I can find one. But yeah, if your garden's ready to go, you just get one of these guys out there, make you a hole and put your plant in it. Pretty nice to have, really. I think it's the best thing we bought for the garden last year. Looks to your drill. Pretty cool. Alright. Now I gotta go find some seeds. Alright, here's the seeds we're using. Large cherry tomatoes. They're not micros, they're not regular, they're big cherry tomatoes. I'm not gonna put too many in here. How about 5? That sounds like a good number. We can always weed them out if we need to. Cover them up. Now all we gotta do is give them a little drink, and then keep you guys updated. Alright guys, last step, we gotta give them a drink. Found his final resting place in our old garden with some other things. Hey look, there's some mullet. Yep, gave him a nice little drink. We'll keep you guys updated.